Hi, good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's pre-market video. So I do this at about 9:30-ish a.m. Nigerian time. That's when the video goes out, but obviously I try to record earlier than that. So what happened yesterday? All share index gained 0.3%. The index measures the average performance of stocks. Yesterday was a bumper day for Champion Breweries, NGX Group, CNI Leasing, Ella Lakes, where best performing stocks all gained 10%. You also had a couple of stocks just after them that did over 9%. So if you're interested, you can check out any daily price list. You have a number of firms that release price lists after market close. What else happened? Deep Capital was the worst performing stock, fell 10% to close at 1 naira and 17 kobo. On my watch list for today: Access Holdings, Zenith, GTCO, NEM Insurance, FTN Coco. Access Holdings traded large volumes yesterday, large volumes by a number of shares, and also one of the top five stocks by the value of shares traded. So I'm of the opinion that it's more of an institutional play. It could be positive or it could be negative depending on how you view the upcoming results. I think maybe by sometime this month or a month or two, maybe in August, we would see the half-year numbers for the banks. GTCO is scheduled to list, I believe, on the London Stock Exchange today. So I'd be watching because obviously it joins a select number of firms listed in, it will join a select number of firms that will be listed in London and the NGX here. If you go by the raise that was done for foreign investors, it's about 0.04 cents. That's around 17 naira. The stock here is trading over a bit over 18 naira. So you'd expect that with time, the price of this stock should equalize on both sides, or maybe you might have a premium on the London end or on the Nigerian end. So today is bound to be a momentous day for them if the listing takes place today. I mean, fillers here and there say it's listing today. Bank, as usual, was being a bit conservative, saying, hey, we're very likely to list today, but plans could be subject to change at any point in time. That's just being conservative. It's normal for banks to do so, or financial services firms to do so. So it's bound to be a historic day if slash when this happens today. On my watch list as well today, I have a long list here: Academy Press, ABC Transport, CNI Leasing, Champion Breweries, Cadbury, CWG, Red Star Express, all trading at 52-week highs, meaning the highest price points these stocks have traded in the last 52 weeks. In the last 1 year, if you're going by a 52-week timeline. Also on that list, we have NASCON, Okomo, NGX Group, Skyway Aviation, Cadbury, FTN Coco, and Mayor Paints. So from a technical perspective, 52-week highs are always interesting because you either would have a slight pullback in the prices or you have the stocks pushing back forward depending on if they're oversold or undersold, or just depending on general market sentiment. So please note that this is not investment or trading advice. Do your own research. And if you have any questions, feel free to share. You can drop them in the comment section. This video should be up on my YouTube as well on my LinkedIn page. So wherever you find this video, or if you're watching it from Twitter, where I share the links as well, feel free to drop a question if you have any. I mean, as long as it's not a leading question, as long as it's not anything that can be interpreted as trading or financial advice, I would do my best to answer them. You can also find more content on the Green Ticker Tales website, as well as a podcast on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. If the DT co-listing holds today, I would try and do an episode on Spotify just to give a bit more color on it, as well as price direction possibly going ahead. So have a good trading week or day ahead, and see you in the next video.